Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use stages in your bound. By using stages, I can structure my bound, for example, geographically or thematically. I can also prevent players from playing the same stage at the same time by telling them to each start with a different stage. What's also cool about stages is that players don't need to play the whole bound. Instead, they can only play one or several stages and pause these stages at any time. They can also finish the bound and upload their results even if they haven't played the complete bound. I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. But first, let's create stages. For that, I'm opening my bound and the settings of my bound. My bound is about different kinds of animals. Here I'm changing the sequence of the stages from fixed to flexible. I can also select if the stages are started by choosing from a list or by scanning a QR code. If I select QR code, my players will have to scan the correct code to start the stage, so no player can open a stage they are not meant to play yet. I can also set specific stages as either the intro or the outro. By choosing that, my first and/or my last stage will be the same for all players. The intro will be shown before players can select other stages, and the outro will be shown after the players tap on Finish Bound. In an intro, I can, for example, welcome my players, explain the goals and the rules of the bound. In the outro, I can give them one last task or make them all reassemble at a particular spot. Now I have to set the stage. I'm opening the content creator. In this bound, I want to have 3 selectable stages and, of course, my intro and outro, so 5 stages overall. To create my first stage, in this case this will be my intro, I'm clicking on the plus symbol and on stage. Here I'm typing in the name of the stage. This name will not be shown in the app, so I'm just naming it intro. If I wanted to, I could also select a coordinate. Players would be able to see where the stage takes place on the map. I'm just going to skip this step for now. Here I can see the QR code which opens the stage. Since this is my intro, it will open automatically, so I won't need this code. Otherwise, I would save this image on my hard drive and print it out. I can now create all the other elements. Each element that is created under this stage will be assigned to it until I create my next stage. Since this is my intro, I just want to welcome the players to the bound, so I'm just going to put in information here. After that, the stage selection will be shown in the app. I'm creating the next stage right under the information. This stage will be the first selectable one. In this stage, I want my players to answer questions and complete missions on the subject lakes and seas. So that's what I'm going to name the stage. Now I create all the tasks surrounding the subject. I've now created all the questions and missions. It's time for the second selectable stage, which will be about the land and the woods. Now that I have set all the tasks for that stage, I'm going to create my third selectable stage about the air and the sky. Now I have my three selectable stages. Lastly, I want to create my outro. The title will also not be shown in the app, so I'm just gonna name it Outro. In my outro, I want to know how the players like the bound, so I'm creating a survey. I can change the order of the stages anytime by opening the menu on the left side. You can see that the elements are assigned to the stages since they are a little indented. I can click on these little dots here and drag the whole stage to another position. By clicking on the stage or the element, I will automatically jump to that element. I can also copy a stage by clicking on this little copy symbol. By clicking on the plus and the paste symbol, I copied the whole stage including all its elements. This also works if you want to copy a stage into a whole new bound. I want to undo that by clicking on the undo symbol up here. Empty stages will not be recognized in the app, so make sure that all your stages have at least one element to them. Now I want to see what my bound looks like. So this is what my finished bound looks like. I can see the intro with a welcoming. When I tap on Next, I can select the stages. If the setting is to choose from a list, I just have to tap on the stage I want to play. Here I have to scan the correct QR code, so I'm tapping on Scan Code. And now the stage assigned to that code opens. I can now play it. When completing the stage, I will automatically get back to the stage overview. I can now open another stage. Now I want to pause that stage. So I'm tapping on the menu up here and tap on Pause Stage. I can see that the stage is paused by the pause symbol. This other stage I've already completed, so there is a check mark. Stages I haven't played yet have the play symbol. I can reopen a pause stage and continue from the point where I paused it. In this overview, I can finish the bound even if I haven't played all stages yet. I just tap on Finish Bound. I have to confirm that I want to finish without playing all stages. And now my last stage, the outro, opens the survey. I answer that and the bound is finished and I can upload the result. So now you know how to create stages for your bound. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.